Hey guys, so we have here some Kiss Gel Fantastic nails. So I got these nails at Walmart. These are going to be my quarantine press-ons. So make sure you guys like this video, comment down below something you guys would love to see me try. If there's like a specific design, and then just let me know and I sure will try it. Alright, you guys, I'm going to get this open. I'm gonna open it. Got it.
Do you need help taking this off?
No, I got it. Oh, no. It's already leaking, you guys. So, I'm gonna set that up right here.
Mom, I'm gonna have one of these.
Alright, you guys, so I realized that this little packaging was a little bit hard to open, so make sure you guys do get this open and prepared before you actually start. Alright, you guys, so I got the packaging open. We have the little finger testing thing, so if you put your finger there, you will be able to tell which number is which on what size nail you should use. Then we have the nail file, and then we have the cuticle pusher. So you want to just push your cuticles back very gently, not too much, just enough to where the nail bed fits properly once you actually file down the nail. Yeah, so since we've been quarantining, my nails has actually grown a lot, as you guys can see. So there's a lot of new growth, so I kind of had to, you know, get down and dirty and dig in that cuticle. So yeah, also there is two sides to the little cuticle stick. As you can see, I'm using the flat bedded side, and just gently go around each one of your nails. I didn't think it was necessary to actually clip my nails down to be short, but if you guys would like to, because I know that that's what they do at the nail shop. So yeah, you guys can do that if that fits you best. Nail bed. This side is more of a pointy side, as you can see, and then this one is like more of a slant. So yeah, you guys, like I said, last I got my nails done, it kind of damaged my nails, so my nails are just now getting back to being healthy again. I would put like some cuticle stuff on, but I guess I'll wait because I definitely don't want this pink nail glue to stick. So next, we want to try to make sure we can get a nail that we know is going to fit on my thumb. So have some big ones sitting here. Oh, that's freaking huge. We really don't want nothing that big. We just want something that's going to slightly fit that bed. Okay.
Yeah, because that definitely would just be extremely too big for all the rest of our nails. So, I actually saw someone do this to get that part of the nail really sharp and edgy, so when that you do put it on, you know, it can have a tight fit between your nail bed and the acrylic nail. So, I think I'll just slightly go across with the nail glue.
I'm just gently holding and pressing down on my nail so that the glue can hold very tightly, because these press-ons, I want them to last. Yeah, so And there you have it, you guys. I am loving these new nails, these press-on nails, that is. So yes, you guys, let me know down in the comments how I did.